Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, and here we have our passenger side tow mirror built for any 2007 through 2014 Ford F150. Our tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and has the same base plate, 3-pin mounting locations, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. With an overall measurement of 13 inches and the mirror itself measuring at 10 inches by 8 inches, our tow mirror is designed to maximize your road safety and visibility. This particular tow mirror also has a built-in puddle light and 2 integrated LED turn signals, with one being on the front and one being on the back, along with a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality mirror that replaces your old one and updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.